Welcome, global adventurers. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of international shipments and the intricate dance of customs regulations. Get ready to master the art of smooth sailing through complex waters. First up, let's talk paperwork wizardry. Navigating customs starts with precise documentation. From invoices to certificates, it's like casting a spell that ensures your shipments meet all entry requirements. Meet the customs maestros. They're the gatekeepers to international trade. Understanding their language, tariffs, duties, and taxes is like speaking the secret code to smoother customs clearance. Embrace the power of technology. There are digital platforms that decode customs regulations for you. It's like having a GPS that guides your shipments through the customs labyrinth. Chain of custody, it's more than a buzzword. It's the golden thread that connects your goods from origin to destination. Mastering it is like orchestrating a symphony of secure transit. Packaging precision is the name of the game. Think Tetris, but with containers. Proper packing ensures your cargo arrives intact and avoids a game of customs hide and seek. Enter the realm of trade agreements. They're like magical pacts that reduce tariffs and barriers. Knowing which agreements apply is like having a compass pointing towards cost savings. Here's the secret spell to success: communication. Forge a bond with customs officials. They're your allies on this journey, guiding you through the stormy sea of regulations. So there you have it, intrepid explorers. The path to smooth international shipments is illuminated by understanding, precision, and collaboration. Ready to set sail on a customs adventure? Let's chart a course for successful international trade. Reach out to us to unlock the mysteries of customs regulations and sail towards seamless international shipments.